Hey, everyone! Today we're talking about high-protein foods that are also low in calories. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just maintain a healthy diet, these foods are a great option. In this video, we'll be discussing 16 high-protein foods that will help you reach your goals without ruining your diet. Chicken breast. One of the most popular high-protein, low-calorie options is chicken breast. A 3-ounce serving contains 27 grams of protein and just 140 calories. Turkey breast. Like chicken, turkey breast is a great source of lean protein. A 3-ounce serving of turkey breast contains 24 grams of protein and just 130 calories. Tuna. Tuna is a low-calorie, high-protein fish that is often used in salads, sandwiches, and other dishes. A 3-ounce serving of tuna contains 22 grams of protein and just 99 calories. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and affordable source of protein. A large egg contains 6 grams of protein and just 70 calories. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a great source of both protein and calcium. A half-cup serving contains 14 grams of protein and just 80 calories. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein, low-fat option that can be used in a variety of dishes. A 6-ounce serving contains 17 grams of protein and just 100 calories. Salmon. Salmon is a nutritious fish that is high in both protein and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. A 3-ounce serving contains 17 grams of protein and just 140 calories. Shrimp. Shrimp is a low-calorie, high-protein seafood option. A 3-ounce serving contains 18 grams of protein and just 84 calories. Lentils. Lentils are a great source of plant-based protein. A half-cup serving contains 9 grams of protein and just 115 calories. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is a high-protein, low-carb option that can be used in a variety of dishes. A 2-tablespoon serving contains 8 grams of protein and just 188 calories. Quinoa. Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that is a great addition to any meal. A cup of cooked quinoa contains 8 grams of protein and just 222 calories. Almonds. Almonds are a high-protein, low-carb snack option. A 1-ounce serving contains 6 grams of protein and just 162 calories. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are a high-protein, low-carb option that can be used in a variety of dishes. A 2-tablespoon serving contains 4 grams of protein and just 139 calories. Edamame. Edamame is a high-protein, low-carb snack option. A half-cup serving contains 8 grams of protein and just 120 calories. Soy milk. Soy milk is a high-protein, low-fat option that can be used in a variety of dishes. A cup of soy milk contains 7 grams of protein and just 80 calories. Broccoli. Broccoli is a low-calorie, high-protein vegetable option. A cup of broccoli contains 3 grams of protein and just 55 calories. And there you have it, 16 high-protein foods that are also low in calories. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or just maintain a healthy diet, these options are a great choice. Thanks for watching.